so cute. Cute, cute.
Oh, enggak.
Good step.
Tapi tuh.
Hello, good morning guys. It's me again. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to my baking class about moon cake and I will update you later. See you later again guys. Don't forget to subscribe and be safe as always. Good morning guys. We're here having
Morning.
duty.
Moon cake.
And they're making moon cake. We eating moon
And
cake.
then we eat moon cake.
Yeah. So duty in the morning. Saglit.
Cindy! Hi, Cindy!
Cinderella.
Hi, Cindy.
Busy.
Hi, Cindy! Hi, Cindy! Let's eat moon cake.
Huh?
Oh, she has the upfront for
Because that one
For steaming. So this
this one is wet flour. Mean in Chinese.
glutinous rice powder. What's this?
This one.
Yogurt. Rice flour.
After they give the ingredient.
Oh.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell.
So,
that
put
this
all of those in the bowl. Okay? And mix them. Use a spatula.
All together.
All together. Is that clear?
Can we take
Is
our
it okay?
time?
Okay, now. You. Okay,
I
now.
wanna savor us. Every thought on my mind of you and I getting together. Gotta tell ya, I gotta tell ya, I wanna love ya, I wanna love ya. So come on over, I wanna touch, kiss ya.
Michael, and let's see if they can show us to meet you there. Otherwise, you need to go down. So just wait for Michael, okay?
After this,
The second one start, right? Okay.
It's supposed to be one only.
okay.
Oh.
This one put in other bowl.
We started our friends. It's like
Everyone,
to be lovers. My skin, all at this feeling.
you guys, and then make it smooth. Whipping cream and the eggs inside here.
You try already? Not yet. I think you need to open. Look at me.
Oh, like this, like that.
Okay.
Yeah, smoothie.
You can recognize which song is for your group.
Beginin.
So I will help you to put inside the break for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we will start making this, okay?
Use your hand, it's okay. It's like pasty.
believe we found something this good.
22 grams per one. 2. Everyone needs 2. See there is some coloring powder on your table. Do you see that? You have 5 colors for each fruit, right? 5 color, right? Yes. Okay? So, butterfly pear powder. In Cantonese, it's tip tau fa. Tip. I got 128 grams dough together, right? Yes. As a one. And I separate into 18 and 10. So it's total 28, okay? And then I use the small one, the small dough, to dip the blue color. This is called butterfly pear powder, okay? Actually, it is a flower. So I dip it. It's become blue, right? It's okay. Later I will go over there. Then you mix it. Just mix it well. Okay? Until it's turned blue. Just dip it and make it the color you like. If you like the dark blue or you like the light blue, also okay. Okay? Maybe it's not enough for me. Thank you. And this one also, flatten it. Then I will mix it together. Just keep flat. Flatten it. Flip it. Okay? Because as you can see just now, the PowerPoint, you can see the blue and white printery is white and blue color clear, right? It's not mixture, right? So I will not mix it all together. I will keep some white color. So it is unique, right? You can see the pattern clearly. And then, like this, you put the filling inside here. And then wrap. Just wrap. Okay?
Okay.
So you can do it now first. And then later on, you will use the mold to make the shape. Okay? Is it clear? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
It's like a marble. It's marvelous.
Blue, white.
Yeah.
One time, okay? And you want me to speak 擺喺呢一個煲裏邊，因為佢係一個波嚟㗎嘛，係咪？擺落去裏邊，然之後點樣用咧？反轉，左手呢度撳實佢嚇，唔好鬆手嚇。跟住呢度兩隻手指，呢兩隻手指喺呢度，然後撳落去，咁咧你會 feel 到咧，你放手嗰陣咧，佢會彈翻上嚟嘅，咁就 OK 啦。大力少少都唔怕嘅，咁樣撳落去，但係記得唔好鬆手喎，知唔知道？係啦，咁樣撳落去，鬆手，咁就 OK 噶啦。咁拎翻出嚟嘅時候咧，呢兩手指啦，咁樣啦，然後鋪出嚟，係啦。咁但係咧，你擺落去之前咧。
Joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile. We came a long way, we slow it down. We got a strong pace, no fear losing ground. We won't turn around.
Do you want to try? My hand can or
Just like that. Yes.
oh okay.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, just put in the table. One, two,
Ini loh, kalau kalian kayak gini nanti habis. Nah, kalian ininya masih banyak ininya. Ininya 4 saja. Satu.
Okay.
You make friends all along the way to break bread on another day.
One for the Japanese moon cake.
yeah, for
Next up, after you have made 2 Chinese traditional moon cake, you are going to make a Japanese style, okay? Okay, so you just measure the size you want. No need to follow. Okay, you throw it. Don't use it. Don't use it. Throw it. Yeah, throw it. You don't need to follow the instructions about the weight. Okay, because it's a key. Okay, so I will do that. Okay, I got this. And I will dip. I'm sorry. I will dip it as blue color. And then same, mix it. Okay, so you can see I got some purple color. And then I flatten it. And then I will put some. Can I add some? I will put some filling inside. It's too small for me, but you can just measure for your size. If you're not enough, just ask us, okay? And I will make it a bowl, just like the Chinese version. Okay, like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the toothpaste to do the cake. Okay? Okay. A ball, right? So use the toothpaste here. Like that.
Oh,
Yes, to make a cake.
it's like a fruit.
If you feel a bit sticky, you can dip this flour
Oh,
and mix well. Then it is not stick. Then you need the toothpaste here, like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, then I will make just like a flower, but actually I'm making it rush. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, you get the small one, right? The 5 gram with coloring. I take a little bit to make a leaf
oh.
and stick it here. Then it will become a fruit, the wagashi.
Yeah.
If this is all purple, it will be so pretty, okay? Just like that.
berarti samain deh 26.
Nama yang mereka
Tema 28 orang setiap satu orang.
How many grams? This one?
22. Yeah, because all is 50.
我哋整咗個奶黃先好唔好？轉頭先再分個月餅。Yellow one, this one, flatten it，撳扁佢。
Okay.
Remember to